we have here is a beanie hat. Comes in a nice plastic bag. It's a fleece lined hat, machine washable. It's black. It's got squares with lines on top. It's got a logo. And inside you can see the fleece lining. It's stitched 4 ways. And here it is, the label. And we're going to put it on our head the correct way with the label facing front. I wear a pair of glasses. Doesn't interfere, but I'm going to take my glasses off to show you that it goes fully over my face. I can fold this up and wear it folded like so, or I can simply just take the hat, lift it up above my eyes, and wear it nice and comfortable. Get a nice close-up shot for you so you can see the square designs all over. It is very warm, great for the cool weather, outdoor activities. It will definitely keep you warm on those cold days. Now again, you grab this, throw it in the washing machine. If you need to clean it, put it in the dryer. It's a great hat indeed. Let's get again a nice close-up shot, what it looks like. There's the logo, there's all the squares. It's a beautiful design hat. Inside you can see the fleece lining. It's 2 layers. It'll keep you warm definitely in those cold days. Casual on the go. Go out biking, hiking, go to work, commute, wear it wherever you want. This hat is very comfortable indeed, and I hope you enjoy your beanie when you get yours. Have a great day, everybody.